Let's solve this Stanford math competition. This is coming from calculus, I think 2014. So we are asked to find the integral of x minus 2013 squared plus x minus 2015 squared between 2012 and 2014. Here, I think the maximum time that we can spend on this one is 3 minutes. Because these questions, three of them, and the amount of the time allowed is 15 minutes. But we are not gonna hurry up in solving this question. We see that if we wanna compute this one, okay, and these are very simple. So this is just a polynomial. If we do it blindly, we're gonna have big numbers to compute, and therefore we're not gonna get the exact value that we need. We can square this one, we can expand and get the squares, and we find the value, but this one will be longer, okay? But instead of that, we're gonna change a variable, use a change of variable here. And note that the difference between 2012 and 2013 is 1, and between 2015 and 2012 is just 3, and between 2014 and 2015 is just 1. So if we use this change of variable, y is x minus 2012, okay? We're gonna have 0 here, okay? So when x is 2012, y is gonna be 0, okay? And when x is 2014, y is gonna be 2. Therefore, we're gonna change completely these bounds here. And for dx is gonna be dy. So, x minus 2012 is like subtracting minus 1 from both sides. We're gonna have y minus 1 is x minus 2013, and y minus 3 is x minus 2015, okay? And as we see here, we can change this one here and this one here, and we get the following. So when x is 2012, y is 0. When x is 2014, y is 2. So x minus 2013 is y minus 1 squared, and x minus 2015 is y minus 3. So here, and dx is just dy, okay? So therefore, we can evaluate this one here. We don't need to compute a lot, so we're gonna complete, or we're gonna expand these squares. We get y squared minus 2y plus 1 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9, okay? dy, this gives us 2y squared minus 8y plus 10 dy. If we factor out by the 2, we're gonna get 2y squared minus 4y plus 5 dy, and using the rules of the power, so you have y cubed over 3 minus 2y plus 5y between 0 and 2, okay? Minus squared, sorry, minus 2y squared here. And when we evaluate, we're gonna have 8 over 3 minus 8 plus 10, and the best way to compute this one is to divide everything by 3. Minus 8 over 3 plus minus 24 over 3 minus 30 over 3. So this one gonna give us 38 minus 14 over 3. So 2 times 14 over 3, that's 28 over 3, okay? So I was like rushing here, okay, to get the value. So it's 28 over 3. This is the value that we get here, okay? So a change of variable would be nice here, because if when I compute these values, it will be difficult because of these large numbers. Okay, thank you very much. If you see any errors or mistakes, please let me know.